Greetings and welcome to this introduction to KineBody Pro Movable 3D Human Model, the ultimate app for creating human poses and animations, and for learning about human joints and movement. I'm Andy, the developer of KineBody Pro, and in this short video I'll provide an overview of the app's main features and product options. If you ask any AI about KineBody Pro, you'll get an answer that mixes reasonable explanations with misleading claims and outright falsehoods. One of the goals of this video is to give you the straight story. In short, KineBody Pro is an easy-to-use 3D human model app that features realistic anatomy and physics, powerful viewing tools, movable joints, and DIY animations. It's available to the general public, but designed in particular for users such as healthcare professionals, teachers and students, engineers, coaches and athletes, artists, musicians, or anyone else who needs a realistic depiction of human movement. So, let's take a look at some of the features. The core of the app is a high-definition 3D skeleton with over 200 bones. You can select either a male or female skeleton, each of which has been sized to match statistically median proportions. The bodies are rendered using realistic illumination and accurate 3D perspective. You can view the body from any conceivable direction with KineBody Pro's powerful 3D viewer, which allows unlimited rotation about 3 spatial axes and translational movement in 3 spatial directions for a total of 6 degrees of freedom. And you can change the view a variety of ways. For smooth movements, just select a mode and drag across the viewing area, or use a specialized slider which includes a precise numerical readout. Alternatively, rotate through a prescribed angle at the click of a button. Or if you know the position you want, just enter the value into the box to move there immediately. While viewing, you can quickly ID any bone by name simply by hovering or tapping. Plus, you can also hide bones to reveal hidden details, or select a joint to move simply by tapping on a nearby bone. Speaking of which, KineBody Pro's most notable feature is Movable Joints. You can move any of over 100 joints, including the arms and hands, legs and feet, and cervical and lumbar spinal joints. Each joint is designed to exhibit realistic kinematics with 1 to 3 rotational axes each, plus the locations of their rotation axes and the ranges of motion values are adapted from authoritative scientific sources. Plus, KineBody Pro includes special provisions to handle complex joint behaviors, like that of the shoulder blade moving over the posterior ribs, and to handle groups of joints such as spinal segments using a single control. In KineBody Pro, poses are defined not only by joint positions, but also by body positions. And to help define the body positions, you can display a ground plane and interact with it several ways. You can move the body relative to the ground, or move the ground and body together, which is equivalent to moving an orbital camera around the body. And with special alignment tools, you can quickly align a selected body part to the ground at the touch of a button. The app provides several options for saving your poses. You can save your pose as a 2D image, or alternatively, you can save the pose data, that is, the joint angles and body position. By saving these parameters, you can precisely reconstruct the pose at some future time. Pose data is saved to a dedicated location within the app. You can save the app storage data to a file on your device as a backup, or you can share that data with other KineBody Pro users. And now for KineBody Pro's most impressive feature, you can animate your poses. To create a simple animation, all you have to do is select 2 poses and click the play button. The app interpolates the movement between the saved poses to effectively display continuous motion. By default, the animations play repeatedly in a smooth return from the end pose back to the start pose. Or you can select other playback modes, as well as change the speed or direction of playback. But the coolest feature is that the animations are interactive. In particular, during playback, you can view the moving body from any perspective using the full power of KineBody Pro's 6 degree of freedom viewer, for example, to focus on a group of joints. Another useful feature is manual playback, You can scan through the motions using a slider to highlight a particular joint configuration, or perhaps take a snapshot. Although you can build a simple animation with just 2 poses, for enhanced realism you might want to include more poses and additional joint movements, or adjust the timing. To help you with these tasks, the app includes special tools such as a tabular editor to insert or remove poses, or to modify the timing. You can also import background images or videos. A background image shows behind the posable body to serve as a template while you're creating poses. With a background video, you can stop the action at selected frames and then fit the body to each snapshot. After that, you can assemble the poses into an animated sequence. Another special tool is pose flipping, which helps when your animation uses alternate left and right actions, for example during walking or running. One more special tool is a copy and paste capability, which allows you to select a subset of joint angles and body positions and copy them from one pose to another. As with poses, you can save your animations in app storage and from there to a file for backup or sharing. KineBody Pro has a modular structure, so you can choose the parts you need. KineBody Pro Viewer is our base module. It allows you to view various types of KineBody content, including unposed bodies, saved pose files, and saved animations. Plus, you can present or publish graphic content royalty-free, as described in our liberal copyright license. And best of all, the KineBody Pro Viewer module is free. Other modules are available as subscriptions. Our Pose Tools subscription allows you to move joints, save poses, show and hide bones, and more. Our Anim Tools subscription allows you to create and save animations. It also allows you to import images or videos into the background and to copy and paste parts of poses. All new subscriptions come with a 7-day free trial. KineBody Pro is compatible with both mouse and touch inputs. It's available for desktop and laptop computers as a web application at KineBody.com. It works with Windows and Mac machines and with most popular browsers. The web app supports all of the KineBody Pro modules, including Viewer, Pose Tools, and Anim Tools. The web app version also works on iPad and Android tablets, but with fewer browser options. As an alternative for Android users, you can download a viewer-only edition of KineBody Pro from the Google Play Store. It installs as an Android app, so no browser is needed. We don't currently offer a phone-sized version, but hopefully we can do so in the near future. This concludes our introduction to KineBody Pro. Thanks for watching.